Nandito na kami sa Virtue Ferry. Tulog na si Steven. Yung dalawang cats nasa ibaba na iwan. Ayan ang itsura niya, guys. Ayan guys, mag-travel tayo puntang Spain. But for now, we're using the Virtue Ferry. So we can bring the two cats. They were downstairs in the car. We are here. That's the view, guys.
In the Mediterranean Ocean.
Guys, ayun sa kanilang parang restaurant, mini restaurant. Kakain kami ng breakfast. I have chicken and bacon sandwich. And then Steven has a tuna sandwich.
And then broccoli.
Ayan. And what?
Then broccoli.
You have free chips.
Get free turbulence as well.
Guys, nandito na kami sa sasakyan ulit. Nakapwesto na kami para bumaba. Si Steven nahihilo. Motion sickness.
I can't do boats. That is too long.
And then the two cats are there. Peanut and Butter. Butter says fuck you.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of trucks.
That's all there is trucks. I think there's two cars. Look, that one and that one.
There's a lot of trucks that will export or import
I
goods.
don't know what they're doing.
Guys, ayan siya. Ang daming truck dito, guys. Ang lalaki. There's a lot of trucks. Just follow the thing. It's like Gozo eh. No?
Yeah. I need to find something to pull over to start the GPS because there I've got no signal.
Ayan guys, nagka-travel na kami mula dun sa port ng Sicily papuntang Messina sa isang pang port. Pero to si Peanut nag-contract. So, buka ko siya sa cage. Ayan ang itsura namin ngayon. Ayan si Peanut. Nag-contract si Peanut. Ayan siya. Kailangan na kami rito sa Messina Port. Isang sakay pa ulit ng ferry papuntang Italy, because this is Sicily, Italy. Parang island din nila, tapos need pa namin lumabas. Si Peanut as usual, ayan, pabebe si Peanut. Pero si Butter, ayun, chill lang siya dun sa kanyang cage. From what do you call that port? From Malta to Sicily port,
Yeah.
1 hour 45 minutes, and then we travel by land sa car from the port of Sicily to Messina port. How long? What's the time
2
now?
hours.
Almost 2 hours.
Well, more because we stopped because of the cats.
Okay. And then Peanut make a crap. But at least now he is calm now. Oh. Yan na siya. Ang hirap din pala pag may kasamang pet. Buti na lang guys, meron kaming dalang black bag. Tapos may wet tissue at saka may tissue. Pinanlinis namin doon kay Peanut kanina nung nag-crap siya. Huminto kami doon sa may emergency sa may highway nila. Kasi siyempre mangangamoy kami. Kaya meron kami dalang liter, ayan, pero hindi na siya umabot sa liter. Meow siya ng meow, pero wala kaming papaghintuan, kaya doon na siya inabot sa kanyang carrier. Mabuti na lang, meron kami nilagay na parang blanket. Tinapon na namin yung blanket kasi nandoon yung dumi. Tapos nilinis ko, sinanitize ko yung kanyang carrier. Pero ayaw na niyang bumalik doon. Ano siya, tawag dito, nagmimiyaw tapos naglalaway, parang na-stress na siya. Kaya nilabas na lang. Mas kalmado siya pagka nasa labas lang siya ng cage. Ngayon naghintay kami guys. Nakabili na kami ng ticket. How much the ticket cost? Is 35 euro for both of us, and with pets. You tell with the pet?
Yeah.
Pero maiwan lang sila dun sa may baba. Dun sa mga ng transportation sa baba ng ship. Ayan, naghintay kami. May oras ba? Is there any time there? What time?
There's another one pulling in, but these usually run every hour and 15 minutes.
Nakapila kami ngayon
So I
guys.
don't know what time the next one's due.
Nakapila kami ngayon. Guys, habang nag-travel kami mula dun sa port ng Sicily hanggang sa Messina port, hindi ako makapag-vlog kasi gawa ni Peanut, para ako may alagang baby. Ngayon nakahinto, tapos tulog siya, kaya ako nakakapag-vlog. Mahaba pa yung biyahe namin guys, kasi from here pupunta kami sa pinaka city ng Italy, tapos from there pupunta pa yata sa, ewan ko saan pa yun, kailangan pa rin yata namin mag-ship again.
Where? This one?
Yeah, after this one. Papasok na ulit tayo sa port.
You will give your...
Yan guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa barko. Sa isang barko. Hindi na kami lumabas kasi 45 minutes lang naman yung travel sa pagtawid papunta dun sa mismong Italy. Kasi para may kasama yung dalawang pusa. Ayun si Butter. Ayaw pa rin lumabas ni Butter. Bali pinainom lang namin sila through sa inject. Through syringe. Si Peanut, ito pa rin siya. Na-stress na siya. Ayan. Peanut. At least kalmado siya ngayon. At saka uminom ng konting tubig, pero hindi siya kumain. Ang hirap din may kasamang pet pag nag-travel, no?
Huh?
It's hard to have a pet when traveling.
Yep. Even when you're traveling in the car.
Huh?
Even when you're traveling with them in the car, because they still make your life hell.
Travel from Sicily port to here Messina. He is on my lap because he don't want on the carrier. He's drowning. He's very stressed. We thought that it's Butter that will do like this, but Peanut is the problem.
But it's fine.
Butter is fine. He just lay there on his carrier. Talo pa namin guys ang may kasamang baby. Ayan guys, nakababa na kami dun sa second ship. Looks like it's only for 15 minutes, not 45 minutes.
Yeah, it's quick.
It's very quick. The Peanut is here. Still like a baby, Peanut. And then now, I don't know where are we going?
We're somewhere in Italy going somewhere
We were in Italy, but I don't
towards
know
France
where to go. We just follow the GPS.
for 417 kilometers. Stay straight.
That's 417 kilometer. How many hours?
Where if I'm going 100 kilometers an hour, it's 4 hours.
Check your diesel or gas
Yeah,
meter.
I'm just above half tank. When we come to the next service station, we'll pull in. I'll fill back
Because
up.
earlier on the boat, it used the battery. He forgot to turn off the fan. So he needs to.
I killed the
Oh
battery.
my god, I'm having a heart attack.
The Italians had to push me, and they didn't speak a word of English.
I feel sorry for Peanut, he's still moaning, still soaking. But Kata is there. We don't want to get out of the cage. Na si Peanut, tulog na si Peanut. At least, comfortable na siya. Ginawa niya na akong kanaunan.